previous tutor here. Welcome to this video. I have a question which says find d²y over dx² of 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now, what do we mean by d²y and dx²? It's just double differentiation of the same function. So when you first differentiate it, where your first differentiation ends, you further differentiate it into a second differentiation. That's what we are doing. So if we are first going to find dy dx, which I know by now you know of this function. Of course, it will just be you drop the power, which will be 6 and reduce there. All right, it will just be like this times this, then you reduce the power by 1 plus here it will just be 2. Next, what are we going to do? We are going to find now d²y over dx². Now, what do we mean by this? This function will further be what? Differentiated. Alright, to be further what? Differentiated. So, differentiating this one, what do you get? You just get 6. So, the answer is 6. It's simple as that. I hope something has made sense out of here. We can look at another one. Just, if I tell you to integrate this. Okay, I tell you to integrate this. How can you integrate this? How can you integrate this? First of all, let's first write this in a standard form, which would be 4x. This one is the same as half multiplied by 1 over x, then dx, right? Like that. We are still writing this in standard form. This is still x like that, plus 4x. The constant will remain the same. Then this one is the same as x to the power negative what? Negative 1. Hope it's making sense. Then we have dx. Then from here, we can follow and now do what? Integrate. Integrate, you increase the power by 1, then you divide by the new power. Maybe let me put okay. Let me put a 2 here. Let's put a 2 here, a 2 there. So a 2 there, giving us negative 2 here. Good. Okay, now proceed. So integrating this one, we are going to have x to the power 3 over 3 plus 4x squared over 2 plus the constant remains the way it is. Then this one will increase the power by 1, then we divide by the new power. So what is negative 2 plus 1? To be negative 1. So it will be x to the power negative 1. We divide by the new power negative 1. Then this one is the same as 1 over 3. Then x to the power 3 plus 2 can go into 4 twice. Then squared like that. Then remember, we've got half here. Then there's a negative 1 here. So this negative can go into this positive, which will give us the positive half. Then we remain with what? So a negative half, then to the power negative 1. But this can be reciprocated, which I know by now you understand. 3 plus 2x to the power 2. And this one, when reciprocate it, remember x to the power negative 1 is just equal to 1 over x. So here I have 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over x. I'm doing it slowly like this, so that you understand why I'm doing this at this particular stage. And we have 1 over 3 x to the power 3 plus 2x squared. Of course, these two multiply and will give us minus 1 over 2x, then plus c, and you are done. You are done.